What could be a more happier moment for Indian cricket lover than this? Yesterday, Rohit Sharma, the hitman, did not show any excitement, any emotion, even after a century. But Virat celebrated with a single runs. Both of these have great impact and deeply meaningful yesterday. Many long-standing calculations were seems to be blurred in the expression of both of them. Rohit showed his form in Adelaide and his dominance in Sydney will be remembered for a long time. Cricket fan will not forget this innings. And he answered all the questions with his bat. And Virat Kohli deserves more credit. Only a batsman like him can turn things around if his name is Virat Kohli.